India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders, and to everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, alone life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
This international news is brought to you by A. Harshvardhan of Grade-VIII Sapphire. International news. US President Trump has officially launched the Board of Peace and New Zealand election schedule from November 7th. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, I am Dhanush of Grade-VIII Sapphire and I am here to say national news. Light rains, thunderstorms across part of Delhi. Rains likely in the Punjab and Haryana. Bombay HC grant bails to 2 activists in Elgar Parshad case.
Today's state news is brought to you by Sai Sastika from Grade-VIII Sapphire. State news. 25 EV charging station at RTC bus depots across Hyderabad. Thank you.
Everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by K. Jaisimha of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Weather report. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, precipitation 0%, humidity 48%, wind speed 18 km per hour. Thank you.
My name is B. Gautam from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Now I'm going to tell about thought. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. I repeat once again, if you can change your mind, you can change your life. Thank you.
My name is M.K. Prakash. I am from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today I am going to say word interview. Meaning, asking question to someone and supposed to get job. And please spell after me. INTERVIEW. Interview. Thank you.
GK questions are brought to you by Somnath of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Question for Grade 7. Which country is known as the birthplace of Olympic game? I repeat it once again. Which country is known as the birthplace of Olympic game? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Greece. Question for Grade 8. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Milkha Sinha. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Who won the IPL trophy in 2008? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Rajasthan Royals. Let us appreciate him. Open questions. Who got the purple card leaderboard in 2025 IPL? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Prasidh Krishna. Let us appreciate them. Second question. Who got the orange cap leaderboard in 2025? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Sai Sudarshan. Let us appreciate them. That's the end of today's GK questions. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's speech on sports is brought to you by Lakshmi Chaitra from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Sports are very important in our daily life because playing sports keeps our body healthy. Sports are very important for us body. It keeps mentally, physically and healthy. Sports are very important for every class. It gives energy to our body and mind. It remains happy. That's why it has been said that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. I repeat it again. Healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm Tanvita and here is my friend Krishnamani. Today we are going to do conversation on women's cricket. Hi Krishnamani, how are you?
I am fine, Tanvita. What about you?
I am good.
Tanvita, did you watch yesterday women's cricket match?
Yes Krishnamani, it was a very good match.
Priti Mandana played very well. Her batting is amazing.
She hit many fours and sixes. The other team bowlers could not stop her.
Our team won easily in the end.
It is nice to watch women cricket. The team is getting very stronger.
Yes, Tanvita, yes, Tanvita, the game is getting better and better.
Next time, let's watch the game together.
I will be there. It sounds fun.
Krishnamani, who is your inspiration?
My inspiration is Priti Mandana. So friends, for all the girls and women, Preeti Mandana is an inspiration woman. Tanvita, let us learn our conversation. Absolutely, Krishnavani. Thank you.